Although solar panels were developed in the 80s, it's only been in the past 20 years that it's really become a viable source of energy, usable on a grid scale and a residential scale, and I think it'll continue to grow even more.
Solar power differs from traditional baseload power because traditional baseload power is very steady, and solar power is very intermittent. When we have the sunshine, we have electricity, and when there's a cloud, we don't have electricity. In rainy days, we don't have electricity.
It's not consistent. It's mostly useful during the core hours of the day. On the East Coast, it's pretty much utilized as an ancillary service, frequency regulation. The RTO stands for Regional Transmission Operator, help with voltage spikes, some peak demand issues. On the West Coast, however, they have integrated where solar, while not a base load, it's accounted for and counted on as part of their daily operations and output. Because of the fluctuations during the core hours, they have to keep reserve generation imported from other sources on standby. So they're paying a whole day for these other resources to pick up when the solar goes down.
Solar today in US accounts for less than 2% of the total electricity generation. And all renewables is 15% in US. However, if you look at Germany, it's 35%.
I know they're pushing a lot of solar in Europe, but Europe actually is more interested in wind power, which is something the US is just starting to get involved in. How significant is solar power in America? I think it's what everybody's looking to save the day. California is by far way ahead. I think New Jersey, we're around second or third in the nation to promote it.
As we grow in this storage technology, the standard become more important.
I think the fun part of being where a new technology is being created is that's when you make those standards. You do your studies, you figure out what works, what doesn't, and then you'll have national organizations like ASME who will be able to get knowledge from the minds that are involved and get your best possible solution, kind of help foster it along, kind of create the avenues that will most effectively get these efficiently working and change the effects of climate right now.